80 animals.
Swan.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to 80 Animals. How are you today? I'm happy to see you. Today we'll learn about a bird, the swan. This is a swan. It is white. Let's begin by studying some words with pictures.
Distance. The distance between 2 points or places is the amount of space between them. In the picture, you can see a red line. The line shows the distance between the police station and the post office. Pure. If something is pure, it is not mixed with anything else. The picture shows the color black. No other color is mixed with the black. So, the color is pure black. Culture. A culture is a way of life in a society. In the picture, the woman eats rice and uses chopsticks. She shows the food in her culture.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Pure. Distance. Culture.
Now you will read a story. After you read, you will take a quiz.
Do you know the story, The Ugly Duckling? What is the duckling in the story? It is a swan, not a duck. Like a duck, the swan has webbed feet. It swims well by using its feet. A swan can fly well. Some swans move thousands of kilometers away. They travel long distances to spend winter elsewhere. Most swans are pure white. But there are black swans. Black swans live in Australia. Swans stay with their partners for a very long time. So, in some cultures, a swan is a symbol of love. What is the swan a symbol of in some cultures? Love. Ugly thing. What is true about swans? All swans are white. They have webbed feet. What is true about swans? They can fly well. They can't swim well.
How was the lesson? Did you enjoy it? That's nice. This is the end of our class today. Goodbye.